I'm Dr. Elizabeth Blanco, the superintendent of the Pasadena Unified School District, which serves Pasadena, Sierra Madre, and Altadena. PUSD was founded in 1874, and our students have gone on to become leaders, innovators, elite athletes, and artists. Today, our schools are equipping students with academic knowledge and skills, ensuring that they are ready for college and careers. We are also creating welcoming and supportive environments that prioritize their well-being. Many of our schools are more than 100 years old and in need of repairs and renovation, accessibility features, updated air conditioning systems, and other health and safety projects. In November of 2020, the voters passed and approved Measure O, a school facilities bond that is funding the repair and modernization of our schools and increasing equitable access to science, technology, engineering, arts, and math courses. With the support of these investments from our community, we are building state-of-the-art facilities and engaging learning environments that are welcoming and inclusive, safe, where all students can thrive.
It's nice to know for the students that they're going into a clean, fresh, upgraded space.
Yeah, the old bathrooms, they used to smell like urine, but like these ones, they don't smell like nothing at all. They just smell clean.
Thank you for the new student bathrooms.
Thank you for the new bathrooms.
Hi, my name is Manuel Carrasco, and I'm the Director of Facilities, Maintenance, Operation, and Transportation for the Pasadena Unified School District. Measure O has allowed the district to remove asbestos and lead from its facilities, as well as renovate staff and student restrooms like those ones that we see here at Elliott Arts. It had also allowed the district to make critical investments to mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, including HVAC replacements and upgrades throughout the district. All these investments are planned and accomplished while keeping in mind that our learning spaces and our overall facilities need to support the safety, the sustainability, and the successfulness of our students. Measure O helps our public schools be all these things. The COVID-19 crisis makes clear that our schools must have the best available technology to support teacher and student success. Measure O provides critical funds for exactly that, creating, maintaining, and continually upgrading cutting-edge software, hardware, and supporting infrastructure, plus high-quality labs and other facilities to support robust Pasadena Unified School District programs and curricula. Measure O helps to make our schools safe learning environments where teachers have the tools they need and all students can thrive.
With Measure O, our community said yes to investing in our young scholars. Thank you for your continued support as we build a great environment for our students.